What's going on, guys? Ed here, back at you guys with another video. And today we have another little mod for the troquita. We're gonna be taking her over to the TCT tit, and he's gonna be getting down on her. Guys, check it out. We're on our way over there right now, and it's freaking foggy. Y luego la pinche troquita no trae heater. Ay, 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 ay. Ando congelando in here. So subirnos al freeway so we can head on out there. Alright guys, so ya vamos llegando. We're pulling into my buddy Junior's shop. Ooh, guys, check out the clean whip. This is my boy's Junior's. La Barney and my boy Josue's, the pinche peppermint over there chilling. Vamos a ver qué está. What the cuz talking about. The homie Nando came to the rescue. Check it out, guys, check it out. Clean whips. Even the freaking mobile van is clean over here, man. What's up, Josue? Where's your brother at? Right here. He's in the office? Yeah. Whose are these right here? Let's slap him on the troquita? Nah. Come on. I could fit him, no? Why are you being a hater, Josue? There's the man with the plan right there. What's up, fool? Listo or what?
Hell yeah. Don't show this fucking junk right here, cause
oh man, everybody already saw it, fool. Yes, sir. Ahí está, huh?
So these were the holes you were saying?
Yeah. I would see if we could put a light up on the top. Okay. That way we could get some light to come out.
Yeah, that look cool right there.
Chido? And then I was looking on my schedule and I have a spot at 4:30.
Today?
Yeah, so I can, if you want me to get it out of your hair before you leave, I could come at 4:30.
Well, I'm gonna be here for a while, so.
So just come after work?
Yeah, it's after work, that's fine. At what time do you get up to?
Today, like at 7.
Oh, that'll work.
Like 6:45?
That'll work, just hit me up.
Okay.
We'll squeeze it out.
Alright, Junior, I'll see you guys in a little while. Dale pues, Jose. Ya nomás. Ay, ay, ay. Marvin in the G-Ride with the bike. Vámonos. Sheesh. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to TCT. Check it out. Ando moviendo la troquita right now. Oh, check it out, guys. Quedó la mama whiskey. Ahora sí, extra tack watch. Josue, I know you want to go home and play GTA already, but not yet, fool. Damn, looks bad way.
Doing a photo shoot.
Huh?
Photo shoot.
Oh, I made it to a photo shoot? What are we looking at?
Look at the plate.
Oh, what the hell? That's sick. Alright guys, so if you guys see that right there, you guys owe me one.
I need to get some of those.
For real, huh? That's sick. So what, you just put like a paper right there? Or you can put whatever you want?
The plate right there, like, it looks like it.
Sick. When did you do that? Today?
Yeah, I had it for water.
Hey, how come your hood is orange? Oh, you got a cow, huh? Damn it, boy. Look at that. What color are you doing that? You're color matching everything?
Yeah.
Sick. Guys, if you guys need any work done, hit these guys up. Wrap, lights, tint. What else, Junior? Let them know. Let them know where to come find you.
Lights, tint, wheels, tires, lifting, lowering, a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. You guys heard it. The man himself. Come check him out. Lemoore, California. You guys, he'll get you guys right. Bikes, cars, trucks, anything. Let them know. Let them know. So this is the app it's running off of, guys. It's called LED HUE. You basically just get it. You connect to yours, and then pick your color. Boom. Now let's see. Now your settings are right there. Just pick the color and you're ready to cruciar.
Click entryway and you could pick out more colors with.
Oh, okay, okay. Enter. Ooh. Okay, the compa Lalo showing me. Let me see. Oh. Check it out, fellas. Check it out.
And these are like the solid colors and shit.
Oh, that's badass. Alright guys, so we're getting to the house. I'm gonna show you guys one last time what the truck looks like with the underglow. Check it out, guys. If you guys are from the area, hit up my guys over there at TCT, man. They'll get you guys right. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Please drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the lights. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.